For this experiment, we need to take a glass, liquid bleach, a blue color, spoon, and a bottle of water. Procedure: take a glass and pour some water into it. Now add color into the water. Once the color has been added, stir it with a spoon to mix it firmly. After mixing the color, add liquid bleach into it. The main constituent of bleach is a solution of 3 to 6% sodium hypochlorite mixed with small amounts of sodium hydroxide, hydrogen peroxide, and calcium hypochlorite, completely destroying the chromophore which is present in the colored compound. Therefore, color disappears. Let's repeat the experiment with a piece of cloth this time. Take a large bowl, a piece of white cloth, and color. Now put the piece of cloth in an empty bowl and add some color into it. You can clearly see the piece of cloth is full of blue color strains. Now take another bowl and pour some water into it. Then add bleach and stir to mix it. After mixing the liquid bleach, put the piece of cloth into it. Gently rub it and wash it inside the liquid bleach till the color starts to disappear. Basically, bleach is used to remove colors and to disinfect clothes. Not only that, it is also added to industrial wastewater to reduce odors. And most importantly, the bleaching agents are used to purify water supplies and swimming pools. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel.